Hey, hello everyone. Everyone means my zero viewers. So प्रोबेबली आवाज़ ठीक आ रही होगी क्योंकि इसमें नॉइज़ कैंसिलेशन है और तो मेरी वॉइस काफ़ी क्लियर आ रही होगी। मैं ये लाइव इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स करना था और अभी तक मैंने एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं करा और टाइम हो रहे हैं 11:57 और एक क्वेश्चन तो मैं करके सो जाऊंगा क्योंकि कल 7 बजे मेरे को ऑफिस पहुंचना है तो सुबह 6 बजे उठना पड़ेगा। कल ऑफिस सुबह इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी जाना है क्योंकि कल एक दिवाली फैशन शो है कल ऑफिस के अंदर जिसके अंदर मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ इन रैप वॉक। यस। सो जो मैं अभी क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ वो रिवर्स नोड इन ग्रुप ऑफ reverse node in k group basically. For every k nodes we have to reverse a linked list and then connect its tail to the next to the reverse of next k group of nodes. Basically this is the question. Lead code has marked this question as hard. I've already did this in past but somehow I'm getting the error in this version. So what should I do? What should I do? Should I should debug it? I should debug it. One. One is I should debug it, and oh, and the second thing is I should see the solution and I'll cram it. See, I don't know why my mind is opting for the second solution, but I'll try. It's going to be 12 a.m. in couple of seconds. I'll try this for 5 to 7 minutes. I'll try to debug it. If I'll find the solution, then it's cool, super cool. Otherwise, I'll cram the second solution because it's the same, just a couple of syntaxes, couple of lines are different. I have written them in different fashion. Yes. So what I have done is, firstly, I have created a temporary node which contains head. Okay, so current head equals to head and previous tail equals to null. We can s- I don't know why consistently my mind is striking from a thought that do do the cramming stuff, but I will focus on uh, my code for at least 5 minutes. Then later on we'll see what we'll do. So current head equals to head previous tail while temp. So we are running a loop till temp is going to be empty. Okay. Okay. And after that we will make temp equals to temp dot next Basically, we'll increase our temp pointer to the next node and increase the count by one. Count plus equals to one. Super cool as of now. And then we have to check if our count divisible by k equals to 0, it means if it is the kth node, then what do we have to do? We have to simply, I'll quickly write the comments. Reverse the kth group, k k nodes. Reverse the k nodes, and before doing that, we will we will store the we will store the next node to the current temp. What if current temp is okay? Temp dot next null कर दिया. So temp dot next equals to null. Or what if temp does not even exist? It's 12:05 and I'm not able to debug as of now, but it got my interest, so I'll fix it. Okay. Store the next node to current temp. Reverse the close the door. It's going live. Would you like to show up? So store the next node to the current temp. All this problem is arising when I'm when I'm Okay, so we are going to modify it a bit. As of now, I am not sharing much of a solution with you, but let me clarify it for myself that that we will check this functionality, okay, after. So if count equals to 0, let's node next equals temp dot next. Mhm. So we will store the next node to the current temp. Cool. Uh, for some reason, I don't know why it's showing current uh, test cases, test case 2, test case 1, test case 2. Okay, okay. 12, 8. So 10 to 15 minutes. You know, he asked me how much time will I consume in this stuff. I said 10 to 15 minutes. That means I am damn confident because I have submitted it 6 times already. This question. I know I know the stuff, but you know, weak in basics, weak in fundamentals. So definitely a learning. First, try to strengthen your fundamentals, and whenever there is a class for fundamental, please be focused there. Yes. So we will store the next node to the current temp. Basically, we will store the next node to the NXT pointer. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2. So 1 is there, nothing happens. 2 is happening here. Okay, so it is present next equals to temp to next. So NXT is here. So I'm basically dry running the code. Temp dot next null. So temp dot next null. Okay. And current head is going to reverse my current head is head. Okay. So this is going to reverse and give me pointer 2. Cool. If count equals to k, head equals to current head. So head now becomes 2. Uh, previous tail, if previous tail exists, um, so previous tail is currently none. So previous tail does not exist. Okay, we'll come by while current head next exists. So okay, current equals it will come down to one current head dot next. So basically now it's 2 1 and current head next equals to next. Okay, it is pointing to this. Previous tail equals to current head. Previous tail. Now it is previous tail current head equals to next current head, and temp equals to previous tail. Okay, got it. Temp equals to temp dot end. Now it's temp. Now three. Now here comes the four. Temp is here. So next equals to temp dot next nxt. Nxt is here. Temp dot next null. Current head reverse current head current head. It's going to reverse it for me. Okay, so basically this is pointing to this, and now 4 and 3 is in the new node. Okay, head we are not going to set head. Previous tail, this previous tail next equals to current head. Okay, it's to current head, while current head dot next exists. Current head is here. Current head dot next previous tail equals to current head. Previous tail equals to current head. Previous tail is correct, and current head null, and temp equals to previous tail. Correct. So I don't know why it is giving the runtime error. I have to check it. So I have never used data structures and algorithm for, basically I have never used ChatGPT for data structures and algorithm, but now I am going to use because it's a easy to use tool while debugging. Debugging, I found it as a serious task. I mean, it is working fine, but why it is giving a runtime error? The code you provided for everything have features that could lead to random. Let's go through the code, and current head is declared twice. Current head is declared twice. Okay, okay. So I'll quickly fix it. I should not have done that. If I'll try to run. Oh, it got accepted because the approach was correct. Oh, it got accepted. I was doing with a correct approach from yesterday, but since I was again uh, what should I say? I am again initiating a pointer. That's why it's giving error, and I should have used ChatGPT more frequently. I don't know. And I should have learned about pointers as well. That's the main thing here. So with this, so now um, should I cram the old one? I could have, I can, but it's the same approach. It's just that I have written it in different way. So no worries at all. Now what I going to do is I'll quickly break down this approach in forms of comment. Okay. So basically we will create a temp pointer. Why we are creating this? To um, iterate over the linked list. Very good. Second, uh, we are creating a current head. Why we are creating this? We are creating it because every time we have to reverse a linked list for k group and for group of k nodes. So for that k node we have to we should know that this is our current head for which we are going to reverse our linked list. You know what I mean? I hope I am able to communicate that well in English, but I'm damn sure I'm going to do that in couple of weeks, couple of months, I don't know. But in this year I'm going to explain this question very very seamlessly, very very smooth in English. हिंदी में तो समझा ही देंगे. So current head is basically our head for that group in which for our current kth group which is going to be reversed. Got it. uh, Current head of the group containing k nodes which is going to be reversed. Very very cool, very super cool. And the third pointer is previous tail. Now why we have created this? Firstly we have stored it as null. So why we have created this? We have made this pointer to make sure when a new group of k nodes is going to reverse and there is some links or some linked list that is behind that k group, so we have to connect the tail of the previous linked list to the head of newly reversed linked list, right? I have communicated it well. So n- the tail of previous linked list should be connected to the head of newly reversed linked list, and we will connect this, and after that we will uh, after that we will, what should I say? I forgot the I'm very bad at vocabularies. uh, we will store the tail of newly reversed linked list to previous tail. Very good. So it contains the tail of previous linked list which is recently reversed, or yeah, no necessarily, or and it should be um it should be pointed as it should be initialized as null. Why? Because initially we do not have a previous linked list. You know what I mean? It is necessary for, we are basically breaking a linked list, right? So to connect them, we need a previous pointer. Cool. So we'll create a while loop inside that. If our count is divisible by k is equals to 0, basically what it means, whenever we reached whenever we reach k nodes consistent, we are going to do the process. Now what is the process? The process is store the next node in next pointer. Very, very cool. After that, break the link. You know why? Because we are going to now reverse the linked list. So we have to break our link at the tail position. No necessarily need to break from the head. Now current now reverse using current head, right? Because current head is our position for the linked list of size k. Current head is our head position for this k linked list, for linked list with these k nodes, and we'll store it somewhere. Let's say we will store it in current head only. After that, if previous tail if previous tail exists, then what we are going to do is we will, so why we are checking whether previous tail is existing or not? We will check it because uh, in first for the first time there is previous tail is null, so there is no previous linked list to connect from the currently reversed linked list. And when this iteration continues, or whenever this if is exist or run already, then I forgot, in chase of English I forgot the algorithm, so it should not happen. And and so where I was a previous tail, yes. So previous tail should point to the current head. Very, very good. Now if count equal to k, it means it's the first time we are reversing our k, our nodes, then head should be current head. We have to make sure our head should be updated. So while current head next exists, current head will go to the tail of currently reversed linked list. Now up, update current head next to next. Next contains the remaining linked list, and previous tail should be current head now, and temp should be previous tail, and current head should be next. And after this, if we are going to basically temp equals to temp dot next. Now we have to make this thing for, we are iterating, right? So no need to explain why temp equals to temp dot next, and count should be increased as well. And after that we'll return the updated head. So this is it. I hope I am able to justify your time that you have watched. Thank you, Sia. Bye. Uh, where's the button to end this? I don't know. Start a poll, start Q&A.